Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Interstate Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Interstate Motel is located in Wills Point. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Rooms here will provide you with a TV and satellite channels. A microwave and a compact refrigerator are included in every room. At Interstate Motel you will find a 24-hour front desk. A laundry facility and vending machines are also available. The property offers free parking. Amtrak Station is 37 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.